It's Fatalo Fatu, Apia, Malimalu, Wafia Nei Po. Nawafio Mai Patele, Honorable Minister of Tourism, Toisulusulu Cedric Schuster, Honorable Minister of Finance, Ana Rosa Mulio'o, CEO of STA, Pativaine, board members of STA, New Zealand's High Commissioner, Dr. Trevor, Australia's High Commissioner, Emily, our wonderful sponsors, Vodafone, who we also have with us today, distinguished guests, and everybody who's joined us here tonight, Talofa, Talofalava. I'm sure you can all imagine just how excited I am about the return of this year's 34th Miss Pacific Island pageant. Can we have a round of applause? It's hard to believe at this time 3 years ago, my team, Manaya Events and myself traveled to Papua New Guinea to compete for the Miss Pacific Island pageant. Now, competition. It's about helping the development of young women like myself. And as I stand before you all today, I believe that I stand in front of you a lot wiser, a lot older, a lot rounder. But I often reflect on this journey and the amazing opportunities, the growth, and the experience that it's had. And all of these things morphed together have shaped me into the woman that I am today. Now I look around this room today, and it goes without saying, a lot of people have asked, how did you survive 3 years of being the title holder of such an important title? And the answer is this: it was because of my God, it was because of my family, and it was because of all of you. I mean that, by the way, so you can clap for me. It goes without saying that this journey has been one with a legion of supporters, and I wish to thank each and every one of you for supporting my journey. We have STA, who I worked with for 12 months and continue to work alongside. Samoa tourism authorities have become family to me, as well as our board members, ministers, and our sponsors as well. Everybody in this room has played a huge role in this pageant, and I hope that you will continue to play that role and show the same amount of support for our 35th Miss Pacific Island, Matagialalua. And now I wish to introduce our contestant number 1.
Talopalava and Ikmawuromo Yakimimak. I am contestant 1, Miss Nauru. My name is Alexandra Melanie Pichau, and I'm 23 years of age. I am so humbled and honored to represent the Republic of Nauru in beautiful Samoa. And I thank you all and I acknowledge you all for making this event happen, because it has been such a great experience. I've experienced a lot of growth in this 1 week. Also, I'd like to dedicate this to my delegation. Happy Independence Day to all the Norans who came here. We're away from home, and thank you people for Independence Day. So, God bless you all, and thank you for making this experience as enjoyable as it has been. Makaba, and thank you.
Greetings and aloha. My name is Kauhani Nealofa Deisa Kuimono. I am so grateful to be here with my Pacifica sisters. Thank you so very much to the Miss Pacific Islands organization for hosting yet again another splendid Miss Pacific Islands pageant. We have just came back this morning from Savai'i, and it was such a treasure for each of us to experience firsthand, witnessing the siapo being made and being able to see the waterfalls, as well as experiencing this luscious island. You have such a gorgeous, beautiful home of paradise here in Samoa. I am your Miss American Samoa. I'm 24 years old, and I'm proudly here standing representing my beautiful island. Thank you. I am your contestant number 2.
Sorry, I'm a bit short. Talopalava and hello all the good people living in Samoa. My name is Tiare Haro, 22 years of age, and I'm proud to represent God on this platform, as well as the Happy Isles, Solomon Islands. I plan on using this platform purely to serve my people in the Pacific and unite everyone so we could battle issues that is timely and relevant in the Pacific nation. I'm standing here in beautiful Samoa to prove to the Pacific that Solomon Islands can also be Miss Pacific Islands.
Talofa! Hi everyone, my name is Heilani from Kuruku and I am your Miss Samoa as well as your contestant number 4. But just wanted to actually give a quick shout out before I actually start talking, but big shout out to my Australian family, my Matagialalua family, also Mamanaya Events, Vodafone, thank you so much, and also a big shout out to STA for actually hosting this event and for paying me. Thank you. But just wanted to also thank you for my sisters to actually share this experience, to actually visit Samoa and also experience surviving. It was honestly so amazing because I haven't as well, but it was such a great experience, and just coming from Peru today and just hearing such positive things. I really hope my sisters do come back. But I'm also here on this platform to really be here and to really show off Samoa, because this is the heart of the Pacific, is it not? But I love you all and I'm thankful for you tonight, and I hope you have a joyful night. And I say these things in Jesus Christ. Amen.
Talofa Samoa, and hello everyone, and Labi Namana from my mother tongue. Josie Nicholas is my name. I'm 24 years of age, proudly representing my big and beautiful island of Papua New Guinea. A fun fact about me, I'm a very adventurous person and I've always wanted to travel. And today that dream is reality. And I'm happy to share this journey and that dream with my wonderful Pacific Island sisters. Today, I stand here representing my beautiful island of Papua New Guinea. It is one of the largest economy in the Pacific Islands and one of the fastest growing ones as well. And the APEC Summit in 2018 has proven my country to be one of the growing business hubs in the Pacific. And I hope to welcome you there someday. And I thank you all of Samoa, including Savai, for the wonderful experience that we have shared since I arrived on Saturday and until today. And I look forward to this amazing journey. God bless you all and thank you so much.
As the beautiful ladies take their seats, another round of applause, everyone, for our lovely contestants who will be vying for that spot later on during the week. We also like to acknowledge here with us the Pacific Islands Board of Directors, those that have been behind the scenes in putting this together, especially through the tough times and the rough years that we've just sailed through. We'd like to acknowledge from American Samoa, Simefo Imo. Always elegant and beautiful. From Nauru, another beautiful lady herself, Annie Monco. Is that here with us? Oh, I think you just stand up and acknowledge the crowd here. She's with Luciana. And from Papua New Guinea, of course, the land of a million journeys, and we'd like to acknowledge them specifically for hosting the previous Miss Pacific Islands in 2019, Molly, or Auntie Molly Oro. Matagialalua and the crew. And from the Samoan Islands, the Happy Isles, Joyce Konofilia. And lastly, and not the least, from beautiful Samoa, the man himself, Liatawisa, Jerry Brunt. There you have it, those behind the scenes, and encouraging our specific countries, the 5 nations that have come together, you know, as evidence of unity and providing that strength. Regardless of just the 5 small number that we had, we come together. We just restarted the pageant again after a few years. How many contestants during your year? 2009 was it?
No, there were 12 at that year, but of course, because of the seasons that we've had and we've all had to go through, even though that there are 5 beautiful ladies here, is, you know what they say in Samoa,
To be correction, Miss apologies, Janine Tuvaiti was Miss Pacific Islands and Miss Samoa, to be precise, 2013. So 10 years ago, right? Give me another round of applause. Come on, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. That's, of course, a huge thank you, because without our sponsors, we would have not been able to host this evening and for this event to be able to take place this year. So a huge thank you and acknowledgement to Vodafone Samoa, TV1 Samoa, Fiji Airways, Taula, Taxi, and also Event Brothers.